Very good morning, my dear students of class 12. Please open your total English workbook and check your answers of question number 4 of total English, specimen paper number 2. Here, write down the meaning. The meaning of the word is here soothing. SOOTHING, soothing, line number 11. Second, threatening, line number 13, THREATENING, threatening. And third is testified, TESTIFIED, line number 20. Make sentence, you can do yourself. Make sentences, 3 sentences. But you must know, you will make the sentence without changing the meaning. The word, whatever is given, you have to make sentence with a different meaning. Don't write the word whatever is written in the passage. If you have any problem, you please ask me. Now question number part B, question 4 part B. Write down the answer number 1. The prisoner was a tall, sturdy, STURDY, peasant, PEASANT, of about 55 years of age. Full stop. He was completely bald and had a hairy face and a big red beard. Full stop. Para change. The prisoner was nervous on entering the court, but his anxiety, ANXIETY, and nervousness vanished when he saw that people in the court neither looked at him with threatening faces nor showed any interest in him. Answer 1 is completed. Part 2. Answer part B. Part 2. The witnesses testified the fact that Nicole, the word is already written in your passage, Nicole lived amicably, AMICABLY, amicably with his neighbor, and though he disappeared after his neighbor was murdered and was not found anywhere, He returned after 2 days and surrendered to the police. Full stop. This answer completed. Now, third question. The answer of third question. The two material evidences evidence found against Nicole were number one, Nicole's coat, Nicole's apostrophe S, Nicole's coat on the sleeve, SLEEVE, of which was found a stain, STAIN, stain of blood. Full stop. Number two, the axe, AXE, the axe with which his neighbor was murdered comma, Nicole defended himself by saying that he got the blood stain from his neighbor Pencove's. The spelling is written in the passage. You may check the spelling. PEN, P capital, is a proper noun. PENKOV apostrophe S. Pencove's injured horse. Please stop. As for the axe, comma, Nicole at first denied, DENIED, that he had an axe, and then he claimed that he had a smaller axe, but that was lost by his son. Full stop. Part B is completed. Now last part C, you will write in the grid form as the box 100 columns are given in your book. You will fill one word in one box. Yes, write down. Number one, part C, start from here. As the court proceedings, PROCEEDINGS, as the court proceedings began, comma, a number of cases came up and also ended quickly. Full stop. When Nicole, accused of murdering his neighbor, comma, entered the court, comma, he was met neither with threatening faces nor indignant looks. INDIGNANT. Indignant looks. Full stop. All the members of judiciary, JUDICIARY, seemed to be quite QUITE, quite indifferent to his fate. Full stop. Even when Nicole's neighbors testified that Nicole lived amicably with his neighbor and came of his own accord, ACCORD, his own accord, to the police station after 2 days, DAYS and then apostrophe, 2 days of his neighbor's murder, and defended himself against the material evidences, his cry for justice went unheard, 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 full stop. Finally, the court proceedings ended without pronouncing any verdict. VERDICT. Now question number 4 is completed. You please complete unit number 3, specimen number 3. It will be your homework. Thank you so much.